Take your ride to the next level with the Type S AppGlow Underglow LED Kit. Customizable, dynamic, and smart. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our brand new Type S AppGlow Underglow LED Kit. Now let's take a deeper look at what comes with our Type S LED Underglow Kit. This kit comes with a smart hub. This will allow you to control your kit wirelessly with your Type S LED app. From the Smart Hub controller, you've got 120-inch wire leads going to the LED strips. This kit comes with 4 LED strips. It's got 2 20-inch LED strips. This will give you lighting coverage on your front and rear bumpers. It also includes 2 36-inch strips. These strips are for the sides of your vehicle. We include 3M VHB adhesive for you to attach your Smart Hub controller to your vehicle. We give you 2 power options for this Underglow kit. The first option is to go directly to your battery with these ring terminal leads. The second option is with a 12-volt adapter. We also include mounting brackets and screws for cable management. Before you attach your Underglow to your vehicle, we highly recommend that you thoroughly clean underneath your vehicle before attaching the LED strips. These LED strips attach to your vehicle by peeling back this double-sided 3M tape. During your install, stay away from sources of heat and moving parts. If you have any questions or issues during your install, please reference the manual that comes with your product, contact our customer service, or visit typesauto.com.